I'm Miss Hodgson. I'm an English music and drama teacher based in London, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the ukulele. It's a simple song. It's got 3 chords in it: C, F and G. It's a simple song and it just takes 3 chords: C, F and G. And if you're not sure how to make those chords, there's a link in the box below so you can teach yourself at home. We're ready to begin, and we start in C. Perhaps you've got a younger brother or sister that you might like to play that for and get them to join in with the actions. See you again soon. Bye.